What's up YouTube, this is GrizzlyTube, and today we are doing another LEGO speed build. We have the DC Comics superheroes, the Batman Man-Bat Attack. I got this for $14. There's a Spider-Man that I'm hopefully gonna get, so let's speed build this. See you in a bit. And I forgot to tell you, this set comes with a little comic that you could read. So I'll show that up after. I'll show that after we do this speed build. What's up? We're back, and I just got done building the Batcopter. Color turns nice, and everything else, wheels go fine. And here's Man-Bat with his dynamite, and he has two faces. You can't see it right now. Same with I think all the rest of these. And here is Nightwing on his glider thing. You can take these fires off so you can stand it straight, but it won't stand straight right now. I took the cape off because it was getting in the way for here, but it works fine. And you're gonna have to know how to tie a knot to do this, because you have to tie a knot for the grappler hook. You can turn it. I just don't really want to show it right now because it can break, and this thing is easy to break because some pieces were falling off pretty easy when I was building it. So now it's time. I'll show you the comic. So here's the comic. Shows you some stuff about Batman. You can pause it and look at all these pictures if you want to. And there's Man-Bat. This is a pretty cool little comic that you can get for free. Tells you like what the Batcopter did during it. Like maybe you could use this into the exact story of how you, or you can just do beat all the bad guys with however you choose to do it. There's like some cards in here that didn't come in here. Flash and Batman and Batwoman, it looks like, right there. And look at that cool looking jet looking thing. Wait, that's a little bad, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and the comic. These are all some of the characters you can get. So please like and subscribe and comment to this video. Subscribe to our channel, and peace out, guys.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.